Toggle Rooms is a 3-host switch. So Toggle Rooms allows you to switch between basically a laptop with a USB-C connection. So you get a USB-C with 100 watts of charging. You get a legacy laptop port for USB-B and HDMI. So you could connect a wireless device like an AirTame that we have here, an ReadyMedia, a Barco ClickShare, whatever you wanted to connect there. And then the host room PC connection would be for your Zoom room or your Teams room. All 3 of these hosts switch these peripherals. So these peripherals ports support up to 1.8 amps of power. So you can basically power a Hudley Canvas, or not a Canvas, but a Hudley IQ camera or anything like that that's 900 milliamps. You get a display out, so that's going to connect up your HDMI for your display, and then you get a share out. So the share out would connect up to your MTR or your ingest of your Teams panel. So same exact technology here with Toggle Rooms XT. The only difference is that we're extending it out to the table. So now you've got your host room PC connection here. You've got a link for HD-based that goes out to another box here. And that allows you to connect up to those 2 displays. So that connects those displays up. You can do a call. And then also you can share the devices between these 2 devices as well. So you can share, again, 1.8 amps of power for the USB 3 inputs here. And you also have 2 additional USB 2 connections. This extension will extend up to 70 meters over Cat 6. So exact same kind of concept as what you had with Toggle Rooms, but now you can extend it up to longer distances. So, HD-based T-Link, yep. So one thing to keep in mind, USB 2.0 on the table, USB 3.0 here. The reason for that is if you have a USB 3.0 camera, it will be supported locally, but because of the bandwidth limitation of 4K and USB, we're limited to USB 2.0 between these 2 devices.
Yeah, because you can only have one USB 3.
Exactly, right, yep. So we do also offer a button. So we sell a button separately. The button allows you to basically switch away from those 2 devices. So I'm going to go ahead and hit end here. So you'll see the camera enumerates with the laptop. So now I can do a GoToMeeting, I can do a Zoom, a WebEx, whatever I need to do there. When I'm done, I press the button or I disconnect the cable. And when that happens, everything switches back over to the Teams room so that the Teams room is ready to go for the next group of people that are using that system. So, yeah, pretty simple.
Do you have control on the Zoom, on the Teams panel now? Is there any way for Teams to come do the toggle within?
No, not yet. We're working on some things kind of behind the scenes to hopefully provide that capability, but it's a little bit further out in our roadmap.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, you bet.